Hello everyone, welcome to Cyber Academy, and today's video we will talking about what is a swap case function in Python. So basically, a swap case function converts all uppercase characters to a lowercase and vice versa of the given string and returns it. So if you want to convert a number, if you want to convert any string into uppercase, and if a string is already in a lowercase, and as well as if a string is already in its uppercase, then you can convert into its lowercase. So just like taking this example, here input is Cyber Academy, and after using the swap case function, the output should be the Cyber Academy. So let's see how can we write a Python program to check this function is working or not. So let's start. So here basically this is our sublime text, and now just take as a input str is equal to input. Okay, so this is basically we just take input from the user, and now we just print str dot swap case. Okay, so this is our print function. Now save the file. What is our file name? Just take a file name as swap.py. Okay, and now run this program as what is our file name? First write Python swap.py. Just take any input at C Cyber Academy. So here you can see that the all lowercase will convert into uppercase, and all uppercase character is converted into a lowercase character. So using a swap case function, you can convert the uppercase character into a lowercase character. So thanks for watching, and please do subscribe.